When it comes time to sell your house yourself, hopefully you've already subscribed to this channel and learned all of the tips and strategies that I've taught you to sell your house fast and for the most money. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. But so far you have your house priced correctly so that you're not leaving any money on the table whatsoever. You've watched the videos to get your house ready for market, and you've done that so it's going to show really, really well. Now it's time to market your house, to get the word out there that it's for sale. This is June 1st of 2021, and we are in a really, really intense seller's market. And the only thing you need to do to market your house is to post it on a site like Zillow, Zillow.com. It is the go-to, most popular real estate site on the internet. And Zillow will allow you to do that for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to post your for sale by owner on Zillow. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And if you know anybody that's selling a house now or anytime in the future, let them know about this channel, and you can show them how they can also save thousands and thousands of dollars in real estate commissions, and you will be the hero. So this is how it's done. First, you want to go to Zillow.com. And now once here, up here in the upper left, they're going to have buy, rent, sell. You want to hit sell. And here's all the options that Zillow gives you to sell your house. They'll buy it directly from you. They'll hook you up with a real estate agent that'll charge you thousands of dollars to sell it for you. Or they will let you post your for sale by owner for free, and you'll save that thousands of dollars. So right here, put in your address, the house you're selling, okay, city, state, zip code, continue. And the next thing Zillow is going to do is ask you if this is the accurate location for your house. Okay, if it is, click yes, it's the correct location. If not, they'll let you change it. You just click where the house should be if it's not in the right place. And if they're like way off, completely wrong part of the city, you can pan out. But in this case, they had it spot on. So we're going to save and continue. Next thing is they're going to ask you to price your house. Okay, price that at $185,000. And then next, this is a really cool feature. This is Zillow 3D Home. It lets you take 360-degree pictures of each room of your house for free from your smartphone. And here's how it works. When you first come here, this won't be here. It'll ask you to install the app to your phone. It'll ask for your phone number, and then you'll click install, and it will go to your phone. And then once it's on your phone, you just find it here. Zillow 3D app, boom. Okay. So once you click on that, it'll say you want to do a virtual tour using your smartphone. You want to use your phone camera. And then you want to choose the address. You can just hit current location. Now you need to find the room you want to start in. So I'm going to start in the living room. Let me scroll down and find living room here. Living room. Okay, boom. Now I'm in the living room. Now you see this little bar chart thingy here? You're going to follow that around, and your phone's going to eat it up. Watch. Oh, and Zillow will guide you through it to make sure you do it right. It'll tell you to slow down, go back, etc. There. See how that's eating that up? Now you're going to turn around in a circle slowly. And if you start to go too fast, Zillow will tell you to slow down. If you get ahead of yourself, because you got to go kind of slow, Zillow will tell you to go back. You keep eating up that bar chart like a little Pac-Man. And then if your phone starts to tilt or something, they'll tell you to straighten your phone out, hold it in front of you. And you just keep spinning around really slowly until you get the entire room in there. And you can do as many rooms as you want in the house. You can do the front porch, you can do outside, you can do the backyard. And here we come to the end, and once you hit the end, it's going to stop, and then it's going to tell you to add a room if you want to add a room. So I'm going to add a room. Let's add a dining room. Okay, so I'll click on the dining room there, and I'll go to the dining room. I'm just going to do these two rooms for this example. So there's your bar chart thingy again, and we're going to start eating it. Oops, go back. Okay, slow down. Okay, and again, we just do this to every single room that we want to do with the house. As we come to the end here, it will again ask us what we want to do. So I'm just going to do these two rooms. So I'm going to wait for this all to render and upload. And if I try to finish too early, it'll warn me. see my uploads in progress, completed. Now once they're both completed, then I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to click on finish. And then finish and publish. And that's going to take it directly to your site. And let me show you here what that looks like. It'll also send you a link to your email that you can pass around or whatever, but this is what this looks like. It's really neat. Okay. See there, we can go around the house, check out the whole room, and then we can go to the dining room, check out the dining room. And now if I'd have done more of these, I could go over here, I could go up the stairs. Just any room you want to do, you can do that, and then your potential buyer gets a virtual tour of your house. It's almost like being there. Okay, so if you do that 3D thing, once you're done there, then you want to come down here and you want to upload all the photos you've taken. And I've shown you the best to take photos and the best way to write descriptions in this video here. But now we're going to find the photos that we want to upload. Okay. And we'll do our for sale by owner here. And then here's all our pictures that we want to do. So we'll just take all those beautiful pictures that we took and there. And now Zillow will upload them. And this is going to take a little while, so I'm going to move on. So down here is all about home facts in your house, okay? You just fill everything in as it is. How many bedrooms you have, how many bathrooms you have. Now this right here is an important part. Finished square feet. If you have a basement, a lot of times Zillow will miss your basement, the square footage in your basement. And it's important that that is recorded here. Because right now this looks like this house only has 1,194 square feet, when this house actually has 1,900 square feet. So make sure you pay attention to that when you're doing your house. Over here you can describe your home. And down here, if you're going to do an open house, you can fill that in there. Although in this market, you probably won't need to do an open house because houses are selling in in less than a week. And now down on these, right here, this is a really cool feature where Zillow has what I love about this home. What you want to write in there is literally what you love about this house. Like if you have really super cool neighbors, say you guys all have a big 4th of July party or something, then you want to write that in there. Just let people know what you love about this house and what they're going to love about living here. It gives it a personal touch, and psychology is really, really big in real estate. Now down here, you want to check every single box that pertains to your house. The more boxes that are checked, the more impressive your house looks. Of course, don't lie, but just make sure you get them all and don't miss any. If you have one room that has carpet and a room that has hardwood, another room that has laminate, check them all. Okay, if you have a breakfast nook and a dining room, check both of them. Mother-in-law apartment, that house we just looked at with the pictures, that actually has a basketball court, so you check basketball court. Okay, once you go through and you get all of those checked, get your number of stories here. If you have like a 1.5 stories, a 2-story, a ranch, and then you'll come down here and you'll put in your phone number. Now, when you'll put in your phone number down here, and Zillow is going to put that way at the bottom because they want consumers to click on the agent. If you watch this video here, do this one thing. I'm going to show you how to get consumers to call you directly to avoid a real estate agent altogether. And then you come down here, agree to their terms and service, and click post for sale by owner, and you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and again, subscribe to this channel if you found some value in here. Like this video, and thanks for watching.